how to include computer sound whenever you are sharing your screen or windows in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you to the exact steps on how you can share the sound or audio of your computer whenever you are screen sharing in Microsoft Teams. So the step lies are very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So whenever you are in the meeting, simply click onto this share button that is present at the top, or alternatively, you may also choose to press the Control Shift and E keys. And once you will do this, you can see this toggle that says include sound. So make sure that you enable this include sound toggle, and this will make sure that the audio of your computer or the sound that you're going to play is also included in the screen sharing. So just make sure that this toggle is enabled, and then you can choose either the screen or the windows option, and then whenever you will share your screen or windows, the sound will also be included into that particular sharing. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.